In 2025, learning AI quickly is more accessible than ever, thanks to advancements in technology and resources. To dive into AI efficiently, start by grasping the core concepts. Familiarize yourself with key terms like machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms. Online platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer accelerated courses tailored for beginners, so sign up for these to build your foundational knowledge. Next, embrace hands-on experience. Platforms such as Kaggle provide datasets and challenges that let you apply what you've learned in a practical setting. Building projects, even small ones like designing a chatbot or a simple recommendation system, can be extremely beneficial. These projects solidify your understanding and give you tangible results to showcase your skills. Don't forget the importance of coding. Python remains the dominant language for AI, so ensure you're comfortable with its libraries, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Websites like Codecademy and LeetCode offer interactive coding practices to enhance your proficiency. Networking is crucial. Engage with communities on platforms like GitHub, LinkedIn, or specialized AI forums. Sharing knowledge and experiences with peers and experts enriches your learning curve and could open doors to mentorship and collaboration opportunities. Stay updated with the latest advancements. AI is rapidly evolving, so regularly read research papers, follow AI news outlets, and participate in webinars or lectures. Platforms like Archive, Medium, and YouTube are great for keeping abreast of innovations and breakthroughs. Finally, be patient and persistent. Mastering AI is a journey that requires dedication and continuous learning. Embrace challenges as they come and celebrate your progress along the way. With structured learning, practical application, and a supportive community, you can accelerate your understanding and become proficient in AI swiftly. So get started today, keep experimenting, and don't shy away from asking questions. The AI community is vast and welcoming, making 2025 an ideal time to embark on your AI learning journey.